how to log into your Zalando account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is make sure that Zalando is installed on your phone. Then you can simply open the application. After opening the application here, make sure that you remember all of the credentials of your Zalando account, right? So you can first of all select your exact country, and after selecting your country, like I said, all you need to do is write in all of the credentials of your account. So after doing that, here you can simply accept all of the credentials of Zalando, and then from here simply tap on sign in. And after tapping on sign in, all you need to do is add in all of your credentials. So there might be the option of writing down the email address of your account and also the password of your account. Simply do that, and then you can simply tap on login, right? So simply add in your email address first, tap on continue, and add in the password of your account, then tap on login, and like that you'll be able to log into your Zalando. So in case if you have signed up your account using any of those platforms, you can tap on them and go along with the process of adding down their own credentials, and then you can log into your Zalando account. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and that will be it for this video.